Let's compare the AILKIN car charger to the Apple Magsafe wireless charger. So these are both good chargers. You can use either of them with your iPhone, but keep in mind the Apple Magsafe charger is really just for the iPhone versus the AILKIN, you could also plug other devices into it. So just something to keep in mind. Basically, the biggest difference though is that the AILKIN charger is a car charger, so it's going to go into the accessory port in your car. It's going to turn that into two large USB ports you can use for charging. You will need to supply your own cable for that. The Apple MagSafe charger, on the other hand, is a wireless charger. You can place it on a surface, and then you can place your compatible iPhone with the MagSafe on there. It's going to basically use a magnet to click onto the back of the phone, which I'll show here, locks in place, and then that's able to charge your phone. However, you will need to plug the cable here into a wall charger. So with a MagSafe charger, you're getting the cable and the end piece here that connects to your phone, but not the actual converter. You'll still have to supply that. Kind of conversely, with the AILKIN car charger, you're getting the charger but not the cable. And again, the biggest difference, the AILKIN charger is for your car, and the MagSafe you could use in the car, but typically people would connect it to a wall charger at home, place it on the dresser or on your desk, and you can plug your iPhone into it wirelessly.